American Goldfinch. The American goldfinch, Spinus tristis, is a small, vibrant bird known for its striking yellow plumage and melodic song. This essay explores the various facets of this captivating bird, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. Taxonomy and classification. The American goldfinch belongs to the order Passeriformes and the family Fringillidae. Its scientific name, Spinus tristis, reflects its historical classification in the genus Carduelis. The genus Spinus is derived from the Latin word for siskin or finch, while the species name tristis means sad or melancholy, possibly referring to its plaintive song. Physical characteristics. American goldfinches are small birds, measuring about 11 to 13 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 19 to 22 centimeters. They are sexually dimorphic, with males displaying bright yellow plumage during the breeding season, accented by black wings and a black cap. Females are more subdued, with olive yellow upperparts and duller underparts. Outside the breeding season, both sexes adopt a more muted brownish plumage. The goldfinch's bill is conical and pinkish, well adapted for seed eating. Its legs and feet are also pink, and it has a short, notched tail. The bright breeding plumage of the males is an example of seasonal coloration, which is replaced by a drabber, more camouflaged plumage in winter. Habitat and distribution. The American goldfinch inhabits a variety of open and semi-open habitats, including meadows, fields, floodplains, and gardens. They are widely distributed across North America, ranging from southern Canada to northern Mexico. During the breeding season, they prefer areas with abundant thistle and sunflower plants, which provide food and nesting material. These birds are migratory, with northern populations moving southward in winter to avoid harsh conditions. They adapt well to suburban and agricultural landscapes, often visiting backyard feeders where they are attracted to Niger, thistle, seeds. Behavior and adaptations. American goldfinches are social birds, often seen in flocks outside the breeding season. They are known for their undulating flight pattern, characterized by a series of dips and rises. Their flight is accompanied by a distinctive call, which sounds like Pachico-ree. These finches are diurnal, feeding primarily during the day. They are acrobatic foragers, often hanging upside down to extract seeds from plants. Their long claws and agile movements allow them to navigate among the stems and leaves of their preferred food plants. Diet. The diet of the American goldfinch is primarily granivorous, consisting mainly of seeds from a variety of plants, including thistles, sunflowers, dandelions, and grasses. They also consume tree seeds, such as alder and birch. During the breeding season, they supplement their diet with insects to provide protein for their growing chicks. Goldfinches have a specialized feeding technique, using their conical bills to crack open seeds and extract the nutritious kernels. They are frequent visitors to bird feeders, where they prefer Niger seeds and sunflower seeds. Breeding and lifespan. The breeding season for American goldfinches is relatively late, typically occurring from July to September. This timing coincides with the peak availability of seeds from thistle and other plants. Males perform courtship displays, including singing and aerial maneuvers, to attract females. Nests are built by the female, often in shrubs or trees, using plant fibers, spider silk, and thistle down. She lays 4 to 6 eggs, which are incubated for about 12 to 14 days. Both parents feed the chicks, which fledge after about 11 to 17 days but remain dependent on their parents for several weeks. American goldfinches can live up to 10 years in the wild, though the average lifespan is shorter due to predation and environmental factors. They exhibit high site fidelity, often returning to the same breeding and wintering areas year after year. Conservation status. The American goldfinch is classified as least concern by the IUCN, with stable and widespread populations. However, habitat loss and degradation, particularly the decline of native plant species, pose potential threats. Conservation efforts focus on preserving and restoring natural habitats and promoting the planting of native seed-bearing plants. Cultural significance and ecosystem role. American goldfinches are admired for their beauty and song, making them popular subjects in art and literature. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems by aiding in seed dispersal and controlling insect populations during the breeding season. Their presence in gardens and natural areas is often welcomed, as they contribute to the aesthetic and ecological value of these spaces. Birdwatchers and naturalists appreciate their lively behavior and vibrant plumage, which add to the biodiversity of their habitats.